Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to extract data from picture. This is using Microsoft Excel. I suspect in the back end they use their AI tool to extract. This is totally free. There's no need to have Microsoft 365. You can use Excel online for free. I think if you have hotmail.com or microsoft.com free account. I have a sample of a table here from the support.microsoft.com. It shows a table of data. So our mission today is to extract this data into Excel. Hello everyone, my name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. There is two ways that you can do this. First, you can save the table as an image. Or you can open up snipping tool, right? Then you select the data from the table that you need. Then you save as a picture, a JPEG file. Once you save the picture, go to Excel. Please note that my Excel is free and it's online. So what you do is go to data and then click on data from picture and then select the picture that you have just screenshotted or saved. So let's say I will choose the picture that I have screenshot. Then I click on open. Microsoft will analyze your image. Just be patient. And then it will give you a sample of the screenshot in the lower right portion of your screen. When you click on insert data, right, it says you need to review. You can review it one by one. Just check the spelling because Microsoft is unsure. Right. If everything is okay, click on accept. Or you can actually change it or edit the field. Maybe you don't want the S, then you click on accept. Right. And then you close it and you insert data. It has a warning saying that you are responsible for validating the accuracy of all data. And click on insert data. Now you have a table with all the data from the picture. As you can see, because I have deleted the S in component, it will show the component without S. But in the screenshot, there is a S. You can modify as necessary. What is the beauty of this function is, let's say you have to do this every month, right? You can just sum the total column. Right, so this is for this month maybe. And then what you can do is you just delete everything. And then you can reinsert the following month's data. Right, this is just a sample. I'm going to just use similar screenshot. So if the size is the same, you will actually have the same format. What you do is just insert data. You can review it or you can just insert anyway, right? So the table columns won't change, right? And your formula still works. So I hope this video has helped you. Instead of using ChatGPT, you can actually just go straight to Excel and use that function. I hope this video has helped you. Please remember to give this video a like and follow for more. Thank you. Bye bye.